Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can edit the PDF files. Okay, so here I have three PDFs. First is a one which is a application form and the datas need to be filled. And the second one is a profit report which has been generated in system. And the third PDF is a image PDF which has been scanned or taken as a photo in the mobile or in a scanner. It has been scanned. We are going to extract the data from these PDFs now. First, I will go with this profit report. So I could not see any major graphics or images on this, and while seeing itself we could understand this is a system generated PDF. So to edit this, what I can do is I can just go ahead and open with Microsoft Word. I'm choosing Microsoft Word to open this PDF file. So the Word is trying to open that file. It is prompting me a dialog box. Word will convert your PDF an editable Word document. I mentioned OK because that is our, so that is the ultimate goal. So I am just choosing that. You could see the PDF has been came as a Word document as we require, and we can edit them. And after editing, for example, I mentioned Indian rupees, so INRS, and I want to save this. So I cannot save like this. I can save this as a PDF and as PDF updated. So I have opened the PDF in Word and done the editing and saved as with the new name. If you want to save in the same name, it will overwrite the PDF. So it is like an editing the PDF file. Next, I am opening up this application form which came as a PDF, and I want to edit this. Again, what I can do is I can open with Word. I am opening it with Word now. As we get the dialog in the previous PDF, we are getting the same PDF now. I am clicking OK. Usually it may take some time, so you have to wait some time, and then the Word could able to convert the PDF file without any issues. Okay, so the file has been opened in the PDF file has been opened in Word, and I could update the details. You could see I am editing the document like a Word document. Fine. So I am good now. What I need to do is I just need to save this as a PDF. So I am saving this as a PDF, and I am providing the name. I will mention filled. So usually when we need to fill a form application like this, we have to take a printout, need to fill the details manually, and then we have to rescan as a PDF and send back the application. But here what we are doing is just updating the application form within our system, updating the application form within our system and sending the reply instantly. So it is saving more time for us. Okay, so the filled application form is ready. And now we are into this real situation where we get a PDF as an image. See, this is an example. You could see it is scanned, the text and everything is there. It has lots of graphics, and while we are trying to export in Word, it might take more time and the output might not be good. So if we need this document data, if we want this document data, the better option is to upload this file into the G drive. So here you could see I have updated this PDF file in the G drive, and I am now opening with Google Docs. Okay, so Google Docs has edited or read the text from the PDF, from that image PDF, and you could see the actual text present in the PDF has been extracted, and we can save this file or we can edit as per the wish, and you can make a copy and save this as a PDF. So copying or editing the image PDF is much complicated one, but what we can do is we can extract the data. So I can copy the data and I can put it in a Word. So you could see the actual data has been available while comparing with this PDF. The application analytics, so whatever the data available in this PDF will be available till the MRP of the book. So this is how you can edit the PDF like application forms, which is very simple, and this is how you can update the PDF which has been generated from the systems, and when it comes to image PDF you can easily extract the data. Hope this video is helpful. If you feel helpful, subscribe to my channel and click that like button. See you on the next video. Bye now.